have a bit of a budget for this car. It costs money to build a car. We can spend some money, but what was the question?
Why is it?
You know, the interior is just dated. The burled wood, it's dated. It says Jaguar, but it's this weird mix of traditional old stuff, and I want to see some. I want to lift the interior, I want to update it, but I don't want to spend thousands upon thousands of dollars. So there's some old school tricks that we're going to use and some new stuff that I've learned as a car builder. Aftermarket seats are expensive. Even eBay seats are expensive if you want heaters, if you want leather, if you want power adjustability. Well, it's expensive. You got to buy them. So that's what makes Pull Apart Auto such an interesting proposition, because you can pick your seats. They're $30 a piece. If you're going to go to an internet auction place, you're talking about $600 for the pair of seats that we wanted. So it really makes sense to go in there with some wrenches and get them myself. I can get what I want. Back in the shop, the seat mounts are made from some 1-inch flat bar that I bolt to the seat. Add cross braces and weld them to the Jag's unibody structure. It sits right. I can see the instrument cluster. I've got the same eye line out the front. Yep, it's perfect. But what isn't perfect? The rest of the interior. But it isn't that hard to change. The wood has got to go. And wrapping it in carbon fiber vinyl is the best option. It changes the look for less than $5. But to change the color of the actual panel, I'm going to use SEM Products Color Change Spray in Landau Black. The process is straightforward and permanent as long as you follow the included tech sheet. Follow your tech sheet. This is it's an abrasive cleaner that's also a degreaser. The abrasive nature of the paste combined with the chemical properties of it and the gray scuffing pad, it does a super clean down into the pores, all that vinyl grain. After cleaning with SEM soap and a wipe down with some water, the panel is blown off with compressed air and then sprayed with the wax and grease remover. Time for color. 3 light coats of the Landau Black completely changes these interior panels. From blue and burled wood to black and carbon fiber. To change the seats, well, we need to hit the road. Well, if you look at it this way, we do have some money to spend, but the money that I'm saving, color changing the rest of the interior, doing something better with the burled wood, well, I can put that money into recovering the seats, have a good leather upholstery that's going to last the lifetime of the car, and that's where my money's best spent. We're going to talk to one of my best friends, Jan Van Kooten. He's a fantastic interior guy. We're going to spend some budget with Jan having the seats from the junkyard reupholstered. We get the leather seat, we get the color we want, and we have a custom look and a comfortable seat. Jan knows what I want, and with just a few ideas tossed around, we have got a plan.
We want to keep it the Jag, being the Jag, so we have a different set of seats. So let's make those fit the Jag.
That's going to match perfectly. That's going to look in character for the car.